That pre-trip excitement can turn into airport anxiety fast, especially when TSA flags your bag. If you've ever wondered why your luggage gets pulled aside while others breeze through security, you're about to find out. Today we're breaking down 13 packing mistakes that trip up even experienced travelers. These aren't just minor inconveniences, we're talking delays, missed flights, and stress that can derail your entire trip. From overpacking disasters to tech tangles that look suspicious on X-ray machines, these mistakes are more common than you think. We'll cover the jewelry jumbles that trigger extra screening, food packing fails that raise red flags, and liquid blunders that cost you time and money. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pack smart and sail through security like a pro. Whether this is your first flight or your 50th, mastering what not to pack is your secret weapon for stress-free travel. These 13 mistakes could be costing you hours at the airport, and some might even surprise you. If you want to become a packing expert who never gets stopped at security, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips that actually work. Let's dive in. Mistake 1. Overpacking your carry-on like a Tetris champion. We've all been there trying to squeeze just one more thing into an already bulging carry-on. But here's what most travelers don't realize. Overstuffed bags are red flags for TSA agents. When your bag barely zips shut, it's harder to scan properly, which means manual inspection and major delays. Plus, you're setting yourself up for airport chaos. Picture this: you're frantically digging through a packed bag for your boarding pass while holding up the security line. Not fun for anyone. Packing cubes are game changers. They compress your clothes and create organized compartments so you can actually find what you need. Always weigh your bag at home. Most airlines allow 15 to 22 pounds for carry-ons, and you don't want surprises at check-in that force you to repack in public. Mistake 2. Creating a jewelry jungle in your bag. Tossing jewelry loose into your bag seems harmless, right? Wrong. That tangled mess of chains and earrings creates what TSA calls anomalies on their screens. When agents can't clearly see what's in that jumbled ball of metal, they have to investigate further. This isn't just about delays, it's about protecting your valuables. How many earrings have you lost to the bottom of your bag? Small jewelry pouches or pill organizers? Clear containers work best because TSA can see exactly what's inside without opening anything. Your jewelry stays organized, protected, and you breeze through security while other travelers are still untangling their necklaces. Mistake 3. Turning your tech into spaghetti soup. Cable chaos isn't just messy, it's suspicious. When TSA agents see a tangled web of cords on their screens, they can't identify individual items. That harmless phone charger mixed with your laptop cable suddenly looks like something worth investigating. Here's what experienced travelers know: organized tech means faster screening. TSA agents can quickly identify each cable and device, which keeps the line moving. Cable organizers or simple Ziploc bags solve this instantly. Group similar cables together. Phone chargers in one bag, laptop accessories in another. This 5-minute prep step saves you from the embarrassment of having TSA agents untangle your digital spaghetti in front of everyone. If you're already thinking about that tangled mess of cables in your bag right now, hit that like button. And here's the thing, we're only 3 mistakes in, and I bet you've already spotted at least one you've been making. There are 10 more game-changing tips coming that could save you hours of airport stress. Don't miss them. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never have to learn these lessons the hard way at security. Trust me, your future travel self will thank you. Now let's keep going with mistake number 4. Mistake 4. Forgetting the liquid rules that actually matter. The 3-1-1 rule isn't just a suggestion, it's federal law. 3 ounces or less in a 1-quart bag, 1 bag per passenger. Yet this trips up travelers daily, even seasoned ones who forget that travel-sized doesn't always mean TSA compliant. TSA doesn't just confiscate oversized liquids, they might need to test suspicious containers, which creates delays for everyone behind you. Smart travelers transfer essentials into TSA-approved containers before packing. Keep that quart bag easily accessible at the top of your carry-on. Pro tip: freeze your liquids the night before. Frozen items don't count toward the liquid limit, and they'll thaw by the time you need them. Mistake 5. Wearing your way into a security nightmare. Your outfit can make or break your airport experience. Heavy boots, multiple belts, layered jewelry, and bulky jackets turn you into a human puzzle that TSA has to solve piece by piece. Each item you wear means more time at the checkpoint, and more chances for something to go wrong. Here's what slows you down most: lace-up boots, those take forever; metal belts, they always trigger alarms; and jackets with lots of pockets, TSA has to check each one. While you're hopping around trying to get your boots back on, Other travelers are already heading to their gates. The smart play? Slip-on shoes, minimal jewelry, and one easy-to-remove layer. Choose clothing with less metal, fabric belts over leather ones, simple watches instead of chunky bracelets. Your future self will thank you when you're walking to your gate while others are still getting dressed at security. Mistake 6. Burying your electronics like hidden treasure. Nothing frustrates TSA agents more than playing archaeological dig through your bag to find buried electronics. When your laptop is sandwiched between clothes at the bottom of your carry-on, agents have to remove everything to get to it. This doesn't just slow you down, it can trigger additional screening of your entire bag. TSA scanners need clear views of electronics larger than a cell phone. When they can't see your devices properly, they assume there's something to investigate. That means manual inspection, possible swabbing for explosives, and a very long wait. Pack electronics in dedicated, easily accessible pockets or sleeves near the top of your bag. Better yet, use a laptop bag with a separate compartment that lies flat on the conveyor belt. This lets TSA see exactly what you're carrying and keeps your screening time under 30 seconds instead of 10 minutes. Mistake 7. Choosing the wrong bag for air travel. Your bag choice can make or break your entire trip before you even leave the ground. Those trendy oversized duffel bags and massive backpacks might look cool, but they're airport nightmares waiting to happen. Gate agents will force you to check bags that don't fit overhead bins, and that's if you're lucky. Sometimes they won't even let you board. Here's the real problem. Soft, shapeless bags are security headaches. TSA can't scan them properly when they're stuffed and sagging, which means manual inspection and delays. Plus, try finding your boarding pass in a bottomless duffel while holding up the security line. Invest in a structured carry-on with hard sides and multiple compartments. Rolling bags beat backpacks for accessibility. You're not doing yoga moves to reach your laptop. Look for bags with dedicated electronics compartments and external pockets for quick access to essentials. The right bag isn't just luggage, it's your travel insurance policy. Mistake 8. Packing gifts like it's Christmas morning. Wrapped presents are TSA's worst nightmare and yours too. Those beautiful bows and fancy wrapping paper? They're coming off at security guaranteed. TSA can't X-ray through gift wrap effectively, so agents will unwrap your carefully packaged presents right there at the checkpoint. This isn't just embarrassing, it's time-consuming. While you're watching your gift wrap get destroyed and trying to explain what's inside to security agents, your flight could be boarding. Plus, some gifts contain items that look suspicious on scanners when wrapped, triggering even more intensive screening. Skip the airport drama entirely. Ship gifts ahead to your destination, or pack them unwrapped in clear gift bags. If you must travel with presents, keep them accessible and easy to inspect. Your thoughtful gift giving shouldn't cost you your flight, or your sanity at security. Mistake 9. Packing food like a grocery store explosion. Bringing snacks is smart. Bringing half a convenience store is not. The biggest food mistake? Not knowing TSA's liquid rule applies to food too. That jar of peanut butter, container of hummus, or yogurt cup all count as liquids and will get confiscated if they're over 3.4 ounces. Here's what trips up most travelers. Anything you can spread, pour, or squeeze is considered a liquid by TSA. So your solid cream cheese or salsa suddenly becomes a security issue. Plus, homemade foods in unmarked containers raise red flags and often require additional testing. Stick to clearly packaged, dry snacks, granola bars, nuts, crackers, or fruit. Keep everything in original packaging when possible, or transfer to clear containers. Pro tip: freeze liquids like smoothies or soups. Frozen items don't count toward liquid limits and they'll thaw during your flight. Smart snacking means knowing the rules before you pack. Mistake 10. Showing up with more bags than you can handle. Picture this. You're wrestling with a rolling suitcase, a backpack, a purse, and shopping bags while trying to get your shoes back on at security. Meanwhile, other passengers are waiting and TSA agents are getting impatient. Multiple bags don't just slow you down, they make you look disorganized and suspicious. Airlines allow one carry-on plus one personal item for a reason. Anything beyond that creates logistical nightmares. You can't lift everything into overhead bins, you're blocking aisles, and you're more likely to leave something behind at security. Consolidate before you leave home. Choose one appropriately sized carry-on and one personal item that fits under the seat in front of you. If you must bring extra items, nest smaller bags inside larger ones. This isn't just about convenience, it's about looking like a competent traveler who won't cause delays or problems. Mistake 11. Ignoring the TSA pre-check advantage. Here's a reality check. While you're standing in a 45-minute security line taking off your shoes and unpacking your laptop, TSA pre-check travelers are walking straight through in under 5 minutes. If you fly more than twice a year, you're literally wasting hours of your life and money on overpriced airport food while you wait. TSA pre-check costs $78 for 5 years. That's about $15 per year, or roughly what you'd spend on one airport coffee. The math is simple. Keep your shoes on, leave electronics in your bag, skip the liquid restrictions, and use dedicated shorter lines. The application takes 10 minutes online plus one brief in-person appointment. Most people get approved within days, not weeks. Stop watching other travelers breeze past you, join them. Your future self will thank you every single time you fly, especially during busy travel seasons when regular security lines can stretch for hours. Mistake 12. Packing too many electronics. Traveling with a laptop, tablet, e-reader, portable charger, gaming device, and 2 phones doesn't make you tech-savvy, it makes you a security checkpoint bottleneck. Each device larger than a cell phone needs individual screening, which means more bins, more time, and more chances for something to go wrong. TSA agents have to inspect each device separately. Your quick security check suddenly takes 10 minutes while you're juggling multiple electronics bins and trying not to leave anything behind. Plus, more devices mean more things to lose, break, or have stolen. Be strategic about what you actually need. One laptop can handle most tasks that tablets and e-readers do. Choose devices that serve multiple purposes, and leave backup electronics at home. Pack only what you'll realistically use during your trip, not everything you might possibly need in an emergency. Mistake 13. Forgetting the essentials at home. Nothing ruins travel momentum faster than realizing you've left critical items at home, and we're not talking about your lucky socks. Forgotten phone chargers, essential medications, or travel documents can derail your entire trip before it starts. Airport stores know you're desperate, so that $40 phone charger you forgot becomes a painful reminder of poor planning. The real kicker? Some essentials can't be replaced easily. Prescription medications, specific charger types, or important documents might not be available at your destination. You'll spend valuable vacation time hunting for replacements instead of enjoying your trip. Create a master packing checklist and use it every time you travel. Pack essentials first: chargers, medications, documents, and one change of clothes in your carry-on. The night before departure, do a final walkthrough using your checklist. This simple habit prevents those heart-sinking moments when you're already at the gate and realize something crucial is sitting on your kitchen counter. Consistent preparation beats airport panic shopping every time. There you have it, 13 packing mistakes that turn ordinary travelers into TSA red flags. Master these fundamentals, and you'll join the ranks of travelers who glide through security while others are still unpacking their bags. Remember, smart packing isn't about following every rule perfectly, it's about understanding why these rules exist and working with them, not against them. When you pack strategically, security becomes the easiest part of your journey instead of the most stressful. Ready to become a security checkpoint pro? Hit that like button if these tips will change how you pack, and subscribe for more insider travel strategies that actually work. Drop a comment and tell us which mistake you've been making. We've all been there. Share this with anyone who's ever missed a flight because of a packing disaster. Your next trip starts with how you pack today. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video where we're diving into carry-on essentials that flight attendants swear by.